Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because we are unboxing the MelodySusie plant-based gel polish set. And just by looking at the box, you already know it's going to be festive, classy, and luxurious. If you love holiday nails but want something safer and plant-based, keep watching because this might be your next favorite set. So let's open it. The first shade is soft champagne glitter. This is perfect if you want something subtle but still glamorous. Now we have this stunning gold glitter. This is the ultimate holiday accent shade. It screams celebration. Next is this deep forest green. It's rich, elegant, and gives that luxury holiday vibe. This is a classic bold red. This is the kind of red that instantly makes your nails look confident and powerful, perfect for Christmas, Valentine's, or date nights. This one is a glitter green. Imagine Christmas tree sparkle but elevated and classy. Now we have this sparkle red, and wow, the glitter is so fine and reflective. It catches the light beautifully without looking chunky. Now let's open the plant-based base coat and top coat. These are super important if you want your manicure to last up to 28 days with proper curing under UV or LED lamp. The brush is rounded and very easy to control. It spreads the gel evenly from the cuticle to the tip, giving full coverage without streaks. Now I will be doing nail art, so let's start with the base coat, apply a thin layer and then cure. For my design, I am using sparkle red, champagne, and gold glitter as my base colors. Each bottle is 16.5 ml, which is bigger than most gel polishes, so you're really getting value for your money. Then I'm adding the classic red and champagne as the accent nails. What makes this even better is that it is plant-based and tree-free, meaning it's TPO-free, HEMA-free, and HPMA-free. It's also non-yellowing and free from heavy metals. If you have sensitive skin or you're trying to avoid harsh ingredients, this is such a smart choice. And I love that these have naturally sweet scents, not that strong chemical smell. It makes doing your nails feel relaxing instead of overwhelming. For extra glam, I'm using the champagne and gold glitter for details. And look at that shine! The formula is smooth, easy to control, not too thick, and not too runny. Even near the cuticle area, it applies beautifully. Look at this finish. Once I applied the top coat, it gave that glass-like shine. Super glossy, smooth, and professional looking. This set is perfect for holiday nails, gift sets, clients who love festive designs, or even just treating yourself. So if you're looking for a safer plant-based gel polish that still delivers pigment, shine, and long wear, this MelodySusie gel polish set is definitely worth checking out. So I'm gonna leave the link down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 to get 12% off when you shop at MelodySusie official store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next nail video.